Minasa, konnichiwa. Today in this lesson I am going to introduce you to the vocabulary for school. So let's expand our vocabulary. First we should know what the school is. In Japanese, it's gakko. Gakko. Repeat after me, gakko. And the teacher is called sensei. Sensei. Repeat after me, sensei. And the student is gakusei. Gakusei. Repeat after me, gakusei. And the classroom, kyoshitsu. Kyoshitsu. Repeat after me, kyoshitsu. And library, toshokan. Toshokan. Repeat after me, toshokan. Staff room, sutafurumu. Sutafurumu. Repeat after me, sutafurumu. Playground, asobiba. Asobiba. Repeat after me, asobiba. Cafeteria, gakoshoku. Gakoshoku. Repeat after me, gakoshoku. School bag, randoseru. Randoseru. Repeat after me, randoseru. Cupboard, shokitan. Shokitan. Repeat after me, shokitan. Chair, isu. Isu. Repeat after me, isu. Table, teburu. Teburu. Repeat after me, teburu. Desk, square. Square. Repeat after me, square. Whiteboard, howaitobodo. Howaitobodo. Repeat after me, howaitobodo. So let's recapitulate what we have learned today. School, gakko. Teacher, sensei. Student, gakusei. Classroom, kyoshitsu. Library, toshokan. Cafeteria, gakkoshoku. Staff room, sutafurumu. Playground, asobiba. Desk, square. Chair, isu. Table, teburu. School bag, randoseru. Whiteboard, howaitobodo. Cupboard, shokitan. Sayonara.